In today's world, art is evolving in ways we could never have predicted. From ancient cave paintings to Renaissance masterpieces, human creativity has always been the driving force behind artistic expression. Each era has brought its own unique contributions to the vast world of art, reflecting the values, emotions, and culture of its time. But now we stand at the threshold of a new era, one that could redefine what we consider creativity itself. The era of artificial intelligence. With the rise of AI, a pressing question has emerged. Can machines truly rival human creativity? We're witnessing the dawn of a time when algorithms and neural networks are not only solving practical problems, but also entering realms traditionally reserved for human talent and emotion. AI is now capable of generating intricate images, complex sculptures, and even original music compositions. These machine-created works are often impressive, but do they possess the soul, the depth of feeling, that makes art something more than just a technical skill? AI-generated art is fascinating in its process. By analyzing vast amounts of data, thousands or even millions of images, patterns, and styles, AI can learn to replicate or blend these elements into entirely new creations. These systems are programmed to detect patterns in how famous artists worked, how colors interact, and how various forms take shape. In just seconds, AI can produce artwork ranging from abstract shapes to near-perfect imitations of some of history's most celebrated artists. The results can be visually stunning and technically flawless, challenging our ideas of what creativity can be. However, when we look at human-created art, the process is often much more personal. Every brushstroke, every note of a musical composition carries with it a piece of the artist's emotional journey. It's not just about mastering techniques or understanding form and color. For human artists, creating art is about telling a story, often a deeply personal one. Whether it's expressing joy, sorrow, frustration, or hope, human art has the unique ability to evoke profound emotional responses. These connections between the artist and the viewer transcend time and culture, inspiring generations. Human art isn't just about technical perfection. It's about expression, about a relationship between the creator and the audience. The artist's hand behind the work tells a story that's been lived, felt, and imagined. It's this intimate connection that often leads people to wonder, does this inherently make human art superior to AI-generated pieces? When it comes to technical precision, there's no doubt that AI has a significant advantage. It can replicate intricate styles, produce highly detailed works, and repeat these processes with flawless accuracy. Machines don't experience creative blocks, fatigue, or emotional interference, qualities that can slow down or limit human artists. But there's still a fundamental question. Can AI truly innovate? While AI can mimic existing styles and even blend them into new forms, it lacks the emotional experience that drives original human creativity. As technology continues to advance, the future may not be about choosing between AI and human art, but rather about collaboration. Artists around the world are already embracing AI as a tool to enhance their own creative processes. By merging human intuition with machine precision, new forms of expression are emerging that push the boundaries of what's possible. This fusion of technology and creativity is opening doors to possibilities we've never imagined before. So, who creates better art, AI or humans? The answer may not be as straightforward as it seems. Both have their strengths, and perhaps the distinction between the two will become less important over time. One thing is clear, though. The world of art is changing, and it's only just the beginning. Who do you think wins the battle of creativity? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.